Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so there's been this issue that sometimes happens to some Pixel 6 users, and that's those being stuck on Android 12L beta. Now, what I mean by stuck on it is that when you try to downgrade away from Android 12L beta and maybe back to stock Android 12, then when it goes through the factory reset, when it boots back on, it tells you there's no Android operating system to boot to. You'll use this method to fix it. Now you're gonna need to unlock your bootloader. So if you don't know how, you can search up on how to unlock your bootloader. It's pretty easy to do. But once you have your bootloader unlocked, as you can see, mine's it shows you have to have USB debugging on, and then you'll see OEM unlock, and that's toggled on. And you're gonna go to the Android Flash tool and look for the firmware specifically for your device. So here are all the different firmwares for the Pixel 6. I was going to say Android 6, but Pixel 6. Um, and yeah, it's fairly simple and fairly easy to do. Once it's all set up, just plug your device in, and the flash tool will read your phone, and you just click for it to go and just let it do its thing. You'll see a little progression. I'll tell you where it is so far in the progress of basically side loading the stock Android 12. And you'll get this message right here where it'll show your device. So you select your device and connect it. And that's pretty much it. From there, just let it do its thing until it completely flashes the stock Android 12 firmware onto your device and then reboots. So you can see it'll take a little bit of time just because of the file size, but whatever you do, just keep your device plugged in. Do not unplug it in the middle of the process. And once you get that little symbol install complete, um, then yeah, you're good to go on it. So reboot your phone, and now it'll get past, and it won't tell you that there's no operating system to boot into. And there you have it. Of course, you got to reset everything back up because it's a full wipe. But this is how you get it from being stuck on Android 12L beta. So if you guys enjoyed what I had to say in this video, give it a like, share for other people to find. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you much. And yeah, that's it. As always, law.